Welcome to Sage UBS One Plus. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the sale to customer process. In this chapter, you will be guided on the following steps. Entering customer information. Issue a sales invoice to your customer. And print batch of sales invoices. After the login process, you will see the homepage. You can access all your daily tasks from here. Before you start billing your customer, it is important to set up your customer record. Key information such as customer name, addresses, credit term and salesperson will be available for use when you wanted to create a sales invoice. Now, let's see how you can create a customer. To create a customer, just click on the New Customer button, which you can find it at your homepage. Here is the customer data maintenance screen. Let's fill up the customer information now. First, key in the customer name. Next, fill in the customer address. You can select the postcode from the drop-down, or type in the postcode in the drop-down box. Once the postcode is selected, the system will fill up the state and country automatically. Now, click on the Save as Final button to save the information keyed in. Congratulations! You have successfully created a customer. In this section, we will show you how to issue a sales invoice to your customer. To create a sales invoice, you can either click on the New Sales Invoice link, or click on the link at the Sell to Customer button. Here is the sales invoice entry screen. Let's get started by selecting a customer. You can key in the customer name in the drop-down box, or click on the drop-down arrow key to search for customer. System will automatically pick up the address information. You can always change the address by using the pencil icon. Changes made here will only be applicable for this particular sales invoice. Next, let's select the item that we are selling to our customer. At the grid area, click on the drop-down button. Select an item. The price will be picked up automatically. Then key in the quantity. Select another item. You can always create an item on the fly. This feature allows you to create a new item instantly. Key in the item code or description in the item code column. Then, press the Enter key. If the system detected that this item does not exist, it will prompt you a message. Click Yes to confirm create this item. The item maintenance screen will appear. System will populate the item code and item description automatically. Now, key in the unit price. Click the Save as Final button to save this item. The item code, item description and price will be populated. Now, click on the Save as Final button to save this sales invoice. Next, click on the Print button to print the sales invoice document. Here, you have an option to print the delivery order together with the sales invoice. Click Yes to print the delivery order as well. Here is the preview of the delivery order. To view sales invoice, switch to the next tab. Here is the sales invoice printed in default format. If you do not like this format, click on the drop-down to choose for another one. There are 10 formats to choose from. Click to select the desired format. The document is now printed in new format selected. Click on Print button to send the document to the printer. Other than printing the sales invoice one by one, you can choose to print a batch of sales invoices. Batch printing function can be used in printing all the source documents. Now, go to Periodic menu path. Select Batch printing function. The batch printing window will appear. Choose sales invoice from the drop-down list. You can select to print invoices based on date range or invoice number. Lastly, click on the Print button to continue the printing process. Thank you for watching this tutorial.